What's up, Larry?
Oh my God, how'd you get in here?
Well, this IBEX has 2 doors, Larry.
2 doors?
Yeah, so this is a little bit bigger IBEX than our normal. So you got a door that's in the master bedroom, which is really cool, Larry.
This is a 25RLSS.
Yeah, IBEX has came out with so many different floor plans now. So they're gearing them not only for off the grid, but also for those campers that just want to do weekends or whatever too.
Oh, yeah.
So like this one right here, this has the XLT package, Larry.
Right.
So it doesn't have the beast mode, but yet it still sits high enough off the ground, and it has those nice mud tires and stuff we like on it too. So you still get the aesthetic looks of having the beast mode.
Right.
Okay. But yeah.
Well, I tell you what, let's go back outside.
Sure.
And show them the outside and come on in and
Sounds
see
good,
what's
man.
going on in here.
All right, buddy.
You know, Frank, you're right. I do see that second door now.
Yeah, so like I said, Larry, you got 2 doors. And nice thing too, they didn't cheap out, Larry, so they gave you the nice steps on both doors. We see so many manufacturers that normally your first or second door is going to have these on it, and then it's going to have the old style fold-ups. So these have the nice steps that fold, the more rides that fold right into your RV when you're going down the road. You can shut the door behind them.
And I know we made comments about this before, but
yeah,
I like the new graphics.
Yeah, they went with something a little bit darker. They got rid of the blue, but I do too, Larry. It's kind of raised. The IBEX is raised out, lettering. And then also, Larry, what they did too is pretty cool. They show you the floor plan right here, and you can also scan it.
Okay.
But a big thing, like we don't touch on much anymore, Larry, and you're really good with this. This AZDEL. Tell everybody what that is, Larry.
You know, that's actually a composite board that's right behind the fiberglass.
Right.
And the good thing about it is it's man-made material.
Sure.
So it doesn't attract moisture. It's also an insulator as well. Okay. So it actually gives it more insulation, a better sound barrier.
Yeah.
And it's man-made.
Yeah.
So it really...
And all the IBEXs come with that, correct? Larry?
Correct.
Yeah, so that's a big feature, guys.
And it will keep the DLAM down. Sure. You know, DLAM will happen.
Yeah, but it's very low that it can happen with that. Okay, very good, Larry.
Also, I noticed they're coming back with that Lion's Head guarantee.
I know, yeah.
The first year that you own this thing, you can pick up a nail in your tire, flat tire, anywhere.
Yeah.
They'll replace your tire for free.
That's awesome, man.
That's first year.
Yeah, so it's like a 1, 2, and 5.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's very good. But coming on down here, like I was saying, Larry, this has the XLT package, but you're not losing the aesthetics of the beast mode because you still have the same size tire.
15-inch rims.
Same nice looking wheels on it. These are the Westlakes. Got the nice Ram up here, which is cool.
That's not a Ram, that's an IBEX.
IBEX, I know. but this is pretty good, neat right here, Larry. So normally they're small. They're not this long. So this actually is going to have your griddle, and then also you're going to have your table that slides out here.
Okay.
So you got a little prep station, then you throw it on there, and then when you're done, take it off, vice versa. And then also right here, you're going to have a nice...
That's your propane line.
Propane line right there. So that's in a good spot.
Your spray port's up here, though.
Yeah, and then your spray port to spray all your, utensils off or whatever, your furry friends or your feet before you go in there if you're at the beach or wherever.
And you know one thing?
Yeah.
IBEX still have the electric propane water heaters.
They do, which I love those.
For me, it's perfect.
It makes sense, man.
I could take a 15-minute shower, no problem.
And that's what's nice because you're at camping and stuff, there's electricity. Why would you want to use your propane up?
Exactly.
I'm with you, man. So, yeah, come on around here, Larry.
Oh, look at the Forest River logo.
Yeah, they changed that up too. A little FR on there.
Yeah.
Then you're going to have your nice pass-through.
Oh, it's got one of the motion sensor night lights too.
Yep, it sure does. It's got another one on the other side. We just haven't turned it on.
That's pretty good size, though.
It is. Then up here, Larry, it's pretty neat. They got the jacket bike rack.
Oh, so I don't have to put them in the back of the truck anymore.
No, you can stick them right up here. And I think this can hold two. Yeah, 2. So you can put 2 bikes up here. You got your power tongue jack. It also has your light up here too, so you can see. Dual propane tanks.
Right.
Both 20 gallons.
Oh, I like that stargazer window right there.
Yeah, that looks nice, man. Especially at nighttime, man, laying in bed.
Yeah.
Like all the rock, you got the rock guard up here on all the IBEXs.
That sounds pretty substantial there.
It is. Then this got your tire monitor system too, Larry. So you're going to have your tire monitor system.
It comes with a tire pressure monitor too?
It does. And then you also have your battery disconnect. So you turn it off so it doesn't drain your battery. And then coming around here, you're going to see the slide out. So it's got a nice size slide out on it.
Well, that is pretty deep.
You got your connects here. They're so easy on the IBEX. Where you got your freshwater, you just put it in here, the hose, fill it. City Connect, screw it right on there. And then you got your black tank flush. And then underneath you got your glow points, drains.
Oh, right there. Okay.
So easy, man. Okay, Larry. So back here, you're going to see, instead of putting a ladder on the back or the bracket for it, they actually put it on the side. So it's kind of out of your way. So that's got the new Lippert ladders, they fold down real small, and then they just hook up there. So you can get them underneath your bed. Then you got your cable satellite.
We have those in the parts store.
We do have them.
Okay.
Yep. We try to at least keep one in stock.
Yeah.
And it's going to have your 30 amp plug-in.
Okay.
1 AC. And then you got your full-size spare tire back here.
Nice place for it.
And then I don't know if they can see with the camera, Larry, but you got old Sasquatch, man. He's got his feet rolling right through here.
Oh.
And then he blends kind of in right there.
Yeah, it's hard to see that guy right
there. It
there.
is, man. And then up there, of course, you got your camera prep. So you can put whatever camera. I think that's the Furion. They recommend back there. And
I also like the new logo.
It looks nice, man. And of course, where they got little hitch back here. And
300 pounds.
Yeah, so you can put a generator back here. I mean, whatever you want.
Got my water bottle. Carolina fans, you can.
I know, I like that IBEX, man. I can put that on the front of my Jeep. Yeah, that looks good.
Okay.
And then, of course, you can add more solar too, Larry, if you want to. It's got solar on the side.
Oh, the briefcase solar panels.
Yep. So I'll tell you what, Larry, the outside looks good. Let's check out this inside, how pretty it is.
Okay. One thing I noticed here.
Yeah.
They changed the interior color.
They did, Larry. They changed it up on us, buddy. So, and also, as you see, it's got our favorite sink, man, that Aqua-Flow, Larry. This thing is bad to the bone. I love this sink. I got to get one myself, man.
Has a cup washer there.
Yeah, so we went over the sink. You'll have to watch our YouTube video, but it has so many neat features on it. That's just one of the perks when you get an IBEX. Also, it's got nice frosting up here on the glass for your counters.
You can barely see your bottle of water back there.
I know, I got it hidden back there, but there it is. And then you got nice storage here. And what I like, Larry, this shelf, you can adjust it. So you can make it however you want right here so that you can customize it to your liking.
And one thing that's different this year, instead of doing the convection microwave oven, it's actually an air fryer.
Yeah, that's nice. And not only that, they put it in a good spot. The old style was down here, guys.
Right.
So, I mean, you really had to get on down here to get to it. But now you got all that storage space, 3-burner stove. And like Larry said, you have this nice air fryer up here, which is super cool.
And I like that they have the tower of power there.
Tower of power, so you can charge your phones, USB ports, 2 plug outlets.
Man, I just love that sink.
That sink is bad to the bone, man. What I like, though, Larry, you got 2 windows in this kitchen, man.
Right.
We're lucky if you ever get a window. This one has 2.
Yes.
And it's got a nice L shape, so you get plenty of counter space. You got all this room for prepping. You got all these drawers. Too. I mean... And then look at that, Larry. I mean, good God.
Oh, there's the vacuum hoses.
Yep. So the vacuum hoses. Or you just sweep it right in there.
The central vac.
Yeah. That's super cool.
Well, one thing I noticed, there's no floor vents for the heat.
Yeah, no floor.
They're in the wall.
They're in the wall, man.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's real nice, man. That helps with your sales switch staying clean too, man.
Oh, true.
You know, it does. So, yeah, pan on over here, Larry. So you'll see all this overhead storage over here, which, I mean, it's not just storage. It's deep storage.
Yeah.
But this is really cool, Larry. I know we touched on this before, but this is just, I mean, the best table out there. Look at that. How easy,
Oh, my gosh. That's like a Class C motorhome or something like that.
That is just so easy and sturdy. I mean, I love that. I mean, that thing is sturdy, buddy.
Instead of having 2 legs, it has 1.
It has 1 solid one. Yep. Yeah. And you can adjust it to any height you want. So I really like that. I like the blackout shades. They're kind of almost like a denim black. So they're not that true black. They really look good. They did good with aesthetics in here. They did the nice gloss trim up here. But this sofa's pretty neat, Larry. So on the ends you have, we can sit here, tablet, drink, or eat your food. But they're so simple. You just do that right there and remove it.
Yeah.
2 recliners on each end. And then right in the center, cup holders.
And it's right across.
Right across from the TV, so the position's perfect for that.
Wow, and they look comfy.
Yeah, they're nice, man. I mean, they're really cushiony. Plenty of windows in this unit, so you get that nice cross breeze on these pretty nights we're having around here. And then, of course, you got your tried and true Furrion.
Yeah, that's 12 volt nowadays.
Yeah, so, I mean,
but it's nice that it's that size.
Yeah, I mean, that sucker's cool. Right? I should put my water in there. That's nice and cool. But wait, I love this part right here. Jack and Jill.
Jack and Jill.
Yep.
Okay.
So you can go from the kitchen, living room, into the bathroom.
Okay.
And then you got a nice size bathroom. Tooled in the right spot.
Wow.
You got your skylight above for those taller people. And then it's got the nice...
Oh, I love them.
Yeah, that's so nice, man.
They roll up nice and neat.
Yep,
out
so
of the way.
size right there unlocks. And then over here, you're going to have a mini L-shaped little counter.
Right.
So they kind of utilized every little space they had.
Wow.
So you got that.
Can you wash your hands in there?
Yeah.
I'm thinking one hand at a time.
Yeah, it's a one hand. Use the kitchen sink for that one, man. I mean, that's a small one.
But one thing.
Yeah.
Go ahead, because I think you were going to touch on the same thing.
Yeah, so right over here, Larry, you're going to see, excuse me, you're going to see all the components that you're right here in the bathroom. So you got your tank heaters. I mean, you got your level, tell you your fresh level, your black tank level. And then also you're going to have your solar where it shows you. And these lights, man, they're really nice and bright, man. I mean, just turn on that little light, made all the difference in the world.
Oh, and they have an upgraded vent in the bathrooms as well.
They do. Yep. Correct. Yep. Nice electric. Then also up here, Larry, as you notice, since you're talking about the vent, you're going to have a vent. So this is going to run on a racetrack, so you'll get airflow consistently. So you don't just have to use the dump.
Okay.
But it's going to go all through the RV.
You know what I like? They have one without a Murphy bed.
I know. Here it is, man. So here's the bedroom, Larry. As you first come in, you'll notice drawers in front of it.
Oh, you have drawers in this one?
Yeah.
It's like a captain's bed.
Yeah. So most of them, don't have drawers. You just open it up and get your stuff. So this got 4 nice drawers in front of it. And then you can lift it up to get to the top drawers, but you're going to have storage behind there. Not a whole heck of a lot.
No, but that's perfect.
But it's perfect. And then also they use real wood underneath there. I know it's something simple, man, but I mean, it makes all the difference in the world. And I like this comforter. It's like a fitted sheet, man. I mean, it's...
Hit that switch over there.
Actually pretty neat. Yeah, what you got here, buddy?
Oh, backlit.
Yeah, man. So you got backlit on both of these. IBEX does a good job too, where it's behind these wardrobes. You got storage back there. So we always say those people with CPAP machines.
Oh, yeah.
Or, they want to sit back there and put their books to read at night. You got that nice, pretty view. And then you got your reader lights right above you on each side, his and hers. Then up here, you can have more storage. So, I mean, they got the storage, buddy.
Plenty of storage in there
and they got the good struts you like.
Yep. But I love the front window.
Yeah, IBEX made a home run on this one, Larry.
I think they did.
They did really good, man. Like you said, no Murphy bed.
No Murphy bed.
I mean, there it is. Bring whatever matches you want now, guys.
And this is 29 foot.
Yeah,
so
29
it's still
foot.
A good size.
It's not real heavy either. So, nice unit. I tell you what, Larry, let's go check out the price on this thing in the weight.
Okay, Frank. How much is this one going to hurt us?
Not bad at all, Larry.
Really?
This is a 2025, which on our lot, we pretty much everything we have is 2025. I think we got a few 24s left. But Larry, we've got this thing. It was $51,245 down to $34,900.
That's a great price.
I mean, for an RV with all these features, man. That's solar, everything.
Just under a $300 payment, isn't it?
Yeah, we're all payment buyers around here.
Wow.
I am. Larry is. I mean, yeah. So you probably $275, $300 a month, Larry.
They definitely hit a home run with this unit, though.
What a beautiful unit. And this thing sleeps 4 people. You got 2 back there and 2 up here. So, I mean, you can bring your guests.
I really think I might be looking for a trade.
Uh-oh, here we go. Y'all better come get this one before Larry does.
Right.
But if you like this one, please like, share our videos on YouTube. We're trying to grow our channel. And if there's anything you want to see us do or show or a type of RV, just put in the comments. And come on down and see me and Larry. We have all the units open on Saturday. And we're here on Saturdays 9 to 3. During the week, we're here 9 to 5. So come on down and see me and Larry. We appreciate y'all.
Appreciate it, Frank.
Yep.